what do you have rows about?
Evo me u Hagu na Central Stationu i ovdje ću probati njihov klasični Dutch cookie.
Is that because your brother and sister?
Well, a bit of both, isn't it?
Inače idem za Amsterdam.
Sort of condensed there, so you just sort of pick up on the point, but we must...
Evo me opet u Amsterdamu. Jej! Amsterdam je totalna suprotnost od Haga. Ovdje je sve vrvi turistima, koferi se guraju na sve strane. Strašno.
Now and again we have to get the stiff out.
Idemo u muzej sira.
We're going to be talking more about your family business after this break.
This is the classic one, 2 years old, herbs, cumin and glow, goat cheese and with walnuts.
Dosta je jako s kuminom. Nije mi baš sjeo. Evo me na glavnom trgu koji se zove Dam. Najbolje je doći na ovaj glavni trg i onda davdje se orijentirati dalje gdje želite biti. Iza mene se nalazi Kraljevska palača. Kraljevska palača koja je nekad bila vijećnica, a sa ovdje možete vidjeti krunidbenu crkvu kraljevske obitelji. Idem prema Rembrandtplein, odnosno Rembrandtovom trgu. Na putu tamo doći ću i do Blue Market, odnosno plutajući tržnicu sa cvijećem, što me jako veseli. Možete kupiti sjemenje za sve vrste cvijeća, najviše za tulipane naravno.
It's like when you first go again. That's it, but the good things are that you sort of helps out.
Evo me nalazi se u Beijinghof Courtyardu, odnosno dvorištu. Kuća je broj 34 koja je najstarija kuća u Amsterdamu. Znači ovdje i dalje žive ljudi, tako da treba paziti na njihovu privatnost. Ovo iza mene je najstarija kuća u Amsterdamu. Nalazim se na Leidseplein. Ovo je još jedan zanimljiv trg gdje možete nešto pojesti, popiti, malo odmoriti.
Very much is a family business, isn't it? Because your father's working with you at the studios. Your mother was also from a branch of show business. She was a dancer, wasn't she?
She used to be one of the Virgin girls.
Virgin girls.
One of the Virgin girls in the old
She used to show her leg, you know.
Yeah, but she concentrates on the business side.
Yeah, so it's very much a close-knit family business.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
And despite the quarrels, you turn out the works, don't you? Definitely.
Je li to Mečka vozila hot dog kontejner? Mislim da da.
I don't like all the synthesizing stuff at the moment. I think that's, you know, we're not on this old hat now. I think it's nice to get, I mean, new sounds all the time.